Listen, when I say granny style, what I mean is that feeling of like that grandma's oven roasted chicken, like the whole chicken made with, dude, potatoes and carrots and onions.
The house smells good.
It's like, it's just a warm granny hug. It's just that reminiscent. So today we're gonna be doing that. I'm gonna load this chicken up with some awesome seasonings. Gonna load these veggies up and potatoes and carrots up with some awesome seasonings. Now, the real play on this is gonna be the herbs and the lemons that we're gonna be caramelizing, squeezing over the chicken, finishing it off. The seasoning is wild. The flavors are out of control.
It's crispy. Look at them.
Dude, the potatoes and the carrots are soft, but not mushy. This is a flavor bomb waiting to happen, and it is the grandma's hug that you've been missing out on. Chicken wings anyway, dude. Any way you make chicken wings, I will eat them. I'm especially excited about eating them today. I've not made chicken wings this way, but I have roasted plenty of chickens in my day.
Plenty of pollo?
Pollo was way loco.
Wow.
Yes, I would.
So come on, everyone, it's today's first show.
There's just something about roasted chicken, and it's like
wholesome.
It is. It feels
nostalgic.
good, and it feels like family.
Like a grandma's hug. Mom's hugs are great. Grandma hug?
They're just different.
Yeah.
They're squishier because their skin's all loose.
It's fine. It's fine.
It looks like a tongue.
But with any good roasted chicken, you've got to have a couple components: carrots and potatoes,
Root veg.
and some onions. You
Boom.
can throw some celery in there as well. Today we're gonna just be going with some potatoes and some carrots. Now I've already
No oil?
Oh.
Oh!
Yes.
I wasn't trying to butt in, I was just trying to...
Yeah, you were just
Butt in.
you were exactly what you were doing. You're butting in.
No backseat driving.
And the reason we're gonna go down first with potatoes and carrots is because
They're root
they are
veg.
gonna require a lot longer to cook. I'm gonna season with a little salt and pepper.
Nice.
Hey Andy, would you get me a dome, sir?
You got a dome assistant?
Yeah, dude, you don't have a dome assistant?
Dang.
I went to online university.
He went to Thunderdome.
Oh yeah, I like
There can
that.
be only one.
Instead of steaming with water, we're gonna steam and cook with some chicken stock or chicken broth in that case.
Hey.
Yeah. Let's talk about our chicken. Chicken wings.
Chicken wings,
Which
hot
camp?
dog, and bologna.
It was...
I don't know what that's from.
Did you really just say that?
Oh, I know that.
Hot dog and bologna.
Oh,
I knew that, Ethan.
well.
You didn't know peaches and... whatever.
Peaches and whatever. Now, the question is, Nate, are you a flats or a drums guy?
Drums. All day drums.
See, that's why we are good friends.
Why?
Because I'm a flats man.
Yeah.
So, you can have... Aw. Dang it. And there we go.
There's nothing wrong with flats.
Oh. And there we go. No, there is nothing wrong with flats because they're the best.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Unless there's drums.
Oh, but you know what we're also gonna do here?
What?
And I've got some chicken griddle. If you guys have not tried
dang.
this,
Good move.
so good. This is gonna really pump that like roasted chicken flavor through the roof. And Andy, do you want to grab another dome?
Good lord. All right, Mel.
All right, we're gonna go down. You know what? Let's go ahead and crank up some heat, shall we?
To 11.
We're gonna go for a nice crust. We're gonna dome this. We're not adding any water because we don't want to necessarily steam them. I just want to retain some of that heat. That way it cooks quicker, similar to an oven. Shall we ring and bring?
Steam
Because-
is the enemy of crust.
Steam is the enemy of crust. All right, we'll be back when it's time to flip and talk some more.
All right.
So our potatoes and carrots have had a chance to kind of hang out, shall we say. And we're also going to be steaming with some chicken broth. So we're going to do that every now and then.
Trick.
Thank you, sir. We're also going to be flipping our chicken. Now, you're looking for a nice crust, right? We're gonna actually be flipping these probably 2 or 3 different times. While all this is happening, I've got a few more things I want to do here. So I've got some fresh lemon and some herbs. So let's go over here.
What?
Yep.
Dude, you're getting full on like grandma roast style.
Yes. We're gonna
Yeah.
set these guys here.
I like that move.
Let those caramelize. The
Okay.
lemon juice is gonna get a little sweeter when we caramelize it. Now let's go look at our veggies over here.
Potatoes.
Yeah, boy, these are looking awesome.
Even you couldn't say no to that.
We're probably about 60-70% of the way done. Gonna go down now with some
Onion.
yellow onion. So, steakhouse seasoning. This is gonna be my mammer jammer for my veggies. Love it.
Your mammer jammer?
My mamma jammer. You know what? We
You
also...
do more stock?
What's that?
You do a little more stock?
Of course I am.
Oh.
Of course I am.
No, you go to.
No, you go ahead.
No, you go ahead.
I just burnt my hand.
Go ahead.
I insist. If you insist.
Thanks.
Somebody needs to go ahead.
I'm going ahead.
All right. Oh, are you my stock boy? Huh?
No, Andy. Here you go.
It's not very well ventilated down there.
The onion is going to cook much quicker, so that's why I didn't put them on with the potatoes and the carrots at the same time.
Huh. Herbs.
Herbs, almost forgot. Gonna start
Oh,
throwing
come on,
these
bro.
guys in here. Start to get some
Take it easy, Gordon
delicious
Ramsay.
aromas. A little bit more onion. All right,
Take it easy over there, Norman Van Aken.
dude. I promise you, when you're done with when you taste this, you'll be so grateful to be alive.
Speaking of being grateful, hey CJ, did you know?
Grateful Dead. That was good.
Thanks, sir.
Did you know that the Grateful Dead actually played at the famous Woodstock 69?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
But they're not included in any of the recordings or the famous movie because Jerry felt like that day they just weren't playing up to par. So that's why they're not
No
in
way.
it. Yeah.
The Ungrateful Dead.
That is good. Mila, you want to ring it and bring it for us? Yeah, that was pretty good little factoid there, my
All right.
friend. Thank you, sir.
Who told you that story? Is it Jerry? His brother.
Barry.
What's he supposed to be? Jerry Garcia's brother?
No, actually, it's Andy Garcia's brother.
Now, dude, I cut up these lemons and put them down on the griddle because we wanted to caramelize. Look at what is happening here.
Gorgeous.
They are beautiful. These are going to be sweetened up because they've caramelized. We're going to squeeze that
yeah.
on top of the chicken, toss them around in the herbs, and actually we're going to stack them on the chicken as
aromas
well.
are insane right
Absolute bananas. You guys are gonna love this. Make sure your chicken is cooked all the way done, and then we're gonna remove these. Let's get them inside of a bowl, and let's start plating on my
herbs
plate.
too. Herbs and everything.
Oh, dude,
All of it.
everything is going with this. You want all of this with you. Now we're gonna stack these, you know, just kind of make a pile of those delicious veggies that are cooked to perfection. We're gonna throw on some of the chicken, some of the herbs,
Dude,
squeeze
herbs
some lemon
too?
juice.
Dang.
We're gonna garnish with some of the lemons and some fresh chopped Italian parsley.
It smells like a hug from grandma. It looks like a hug from grandma.
All right, veggies, I'll get to you in a second. Let's get to
You hold your
horses. So we've got this nice crust that's
You
developed
haven't
on
done
here.
chicken wings on your grill. You've been missing out.
Come here, sweetie. Come on, give Gramps a hug.
Dude, that chicken wing, all right, so I'm not a crazy carrots kind of guy.
Yep. No crunch, but still has bite.
Yes.
Boom.
Flavor for days. The potatoes. Yeah.
Oh, no. You're kidding me.
You guys have got to try it. Let me know how we did in the comments down below. The herbs are just dancing inside of the chicken here. It's so, so awesome. That punch of lemon juice, that sweet acidity, so amazing. Leave it in the comments down below. Would you try this? Pass or smash? What would you do? But speaking of passing or smashing, it's now time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
So glad that you guys stuck around with us. These wings and potatoes and carrots,
Tommy
they're
would
flying.
like them?
Tommy want winging.
Did that board of the head knock something loose?
My daughter's here, so I'm gonna let her read these comments. Come on over here real quick. So
Nice one.
this is the segment of the show where we screenshot comments from you, the viewers. If you guys write it,
We read it.
that's right. And in this case, we is the proverbial,
Royal we.
the royal we. My daughter Mila is going to do this. So this is coming in from It's Brum Bro. It's Brum Bro.
Okay.
And what does It's Brum Bro say?
How does it feel like to be wrong, CJ? Because you're wrong. Again. Camp flower, y'all loser. Camp flower, you loser. Just when I think you couldn't possibly be any dumber, you go and do something like this.
Wow.
And totally redeem yourself.
Nice.
Nice comment, mean comment. I'm not sure. Either way, we'll ring in and bring it for that.
That's fun.
Oh,
There you go, Mr.
Ethan.
Brown.
Really?
Nyeh-mer.
You'll have to excuse my friend. He's a little slow. The town is back that way.
Okay, this next one comes in from Belinda Gills. Belinda Gillis. Belinda Gillis says, "Nope. Sorry, dude. Feel it not in all kinds of ways." What are you talking about?
Take it easy, Yoda.
Jeez.
Feel it not, do you?
What recipe was it on?
My tacos. How do you not feel tacos? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Seagulls, stop this
Okay, this one comes in from RBlane82, Ricky B.
Oh, Arbly.
My main home slice in Texas. He says, "I've seen Nate do a back handspring. It's
True.
mildly impressive.
Thank you.
Cheerleader."
First part's fine.
And yet, you were.
I was a cheerleader for one season with my sister.
Give me an N.
She needed the support.
Give me an A.
I was trying to be helpful.
Give me a T.
She
What's
was
that spell? Nat.
leading-
Add an E. Okay, this next one comes in from Axe Story X Talks
Axl
Bex
Rose?
Told.
Oh.
What?
Axe Story X Talks Bex Told. Gazoon type. Says, "Wow, I haven't had one of CJ's videos recommended to me in a while. He's still not funny, and is still managing to stretch 5-minute recipes out to half an hour of BS
Okay.
that doesn't even entertain anyone.
Anyone? Maybe just not him.
It's not half an hour, half an hour, half an hour, half an hour, half an hour.
Bieber.
It's like 15 to 18 minutes. Max.
Actually,
Sometimes 20 to...
You suck!
I didn't say it. And that is how we wrap up an episode of CJ's first cooking show. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us. If you're looking for your food to give you a big old warm hug
Right.
and kiss you on the cheek with whiskers
And tell you everything's gonna be all right.
smell like mothballs.
Well,
and smell like
And-
mothballs, then this is the recipe for you. Seriously, wings that were
Yeah.
delicious,
Crushed.
potatoes and carrots and onions, so awesome. Such a flavor explosion with all those herbs and that
And really
acidity from the
easy to
lemon.
do.
Very, very easy.
you could have loaded the entire griddle up and done like for a party.
I'm gonna do that,
Yeah.
like soon. Anybody want to come party with me? Raise your hand.
Alex party.
I know for a fact you don't party.
Yes. And we party.
No.
Yeah, just Rod.
Yes.
And me.
No.
Thank you guys so much for hanging out. Be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com for this recipe and tons of other recipes. Go to griddlenation.com for swag like this. And be sure to check out all the other hosts on the Blackstone Network. You got a whole slew of captains
of 'em.
to take you to the home run, or to kick a touchdown, or to swing for the net.
Yeah.
We got a lot of shows. You should check them out on the Blackstone Network. But this is CJ's first cooking show where we cook.
And we quote.
Yes, we do. It's a dual bell. It's like it's stereo around here.
Stereo.
Yeah.
Turn up the stereo.
See you guys.
Fuck, is it radio?
So turn up. Yeah.
Turn up the radio. I'm an idiot.
Yeah, you are.
Sky!